Alex Murdaugh is requesting a new trial on the grounds that Colleton County Clerk of Court Rebecca Hill tampered with the jury during his double murder trial, where he was convicted of murdering his wife and son last year. Murdaugh attorney Jim Griffin talked to Judge Toll about sworn testimony from 3 jurors in the case regarding what Hill told them.
And all 3 statements are consistent, and in that they heard Ms. Hill, the clerk of court, prior to deliberations, and frankly before the defense put on their case, Ms. Hill instructed, do not be fooled by the defense. That's what the sworn statements say.
The defense believes the jury getting those instructions from the clerk of court is cause for a new trial.
And so then the question becomes, factually, did those contacts happen? And then, we proceed from there as to what the burden of proof is after that.
It's clear, it's in sync, it's uniform, that is the defendant's burden to show prejudice, and that's, of course, only after there's a determination that any sort of extraneous influence occurred.
In other words, the state believes the defense has to prove not only that Hill tried to sway the jury with statements, but also that jurors believe their verdict may have been swayed due to that influence. Judge Toll made it clear that she wants a very narrow focus at this hearing. She wants to know what Hill said to jurors, and she wants to ask all 12 about that and whether those statements impacted their guilty verdict. Eric Bland, the attorney who represents 4 of the jurors, talked to me after today's hearing.
They're going to tell the truth, and I fully expect that they're going to say that they rendered a verdict of their conscience. Remember, they heard over 70 witnesses testify and received 400 pieces of evidence, and they rendered their decision. And I think what you're going to hear is they were not impacted by anything that they may have heard or anything that Miss Becky may have allegedly said.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.